chips Ahoy, Dunkaroos, Lunchables, Capri. We thought these were childhood treats, but they were engineered to addict us. In the 80s and 90s, food giants hired neuroscientists to create the bliss point, the perfect combo of sugar, fat, and salt that hijacks your brain's reward system. These snacks were never about nutrition, they were about brand loyalty. Hook the kid, own the adult. That's why so many of us still crave this stuff. It was never just nostalgia, it was manipulation. Our ancestors didn't grow up on foil-wrapped dopamine bombs. And if you're ready to unhook from processed cravings and build a real relationship with food, join Holistic Being, link in bio.